What is up, everybody? It's me, Joe, here from the iTalk Tech 24, and today we got a quick unboxing, man. Come on, man. We got an unboxing from Nike store, so let's go. You already know the box, man. See that logo? Look at that. What does that say, man? What does that say? You already know. So, straight from Nike. Cheap police. There you go. Get off my back. And you got the little stuff, whatever. Alright, man. LeBron 11 AS Cashmere Green Glow Purple Dynasty size 8. Could not get a. And they retail for $220, but the retail sticker came off. What the hell? Where's the retail sticker? Mostly came off. It's probably in the box somewhere, man. So, but it's alright, man. Alright, let's open it up. Look at that gumbo. Nola. Gumbo. It's hard to see. Gumbo League. It's a very nice design, and they got the Gator King. Nike. That's sick. That away. Put it over here. Alright, man. Peace for this. Got a slide out box. Box is very nice. Very nice design. One of the nicest boxes for LeBron 11. Alright. Get ready. Woo! You see this, man. Extra laces. Alright, man. Alright, man, look at this thing. These things glow. And they're crazy. I mean, look at these. Very psyched for these, man. So, yeah, man. I'm selling these right now. But, I might keep these. I don't know yet. I'm going to wear them probably a little bit. But then, yeah. So, thank you guys for watching. And I will see you guys in my next video. Peace.